Want to know how to install Remitly on your Android or iPhone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, so there are various ways you can just simply download Remitly on your phone. So first things first, you can just simply hit towards your website and you can just simply download them directly by using the QR and what's more. Next, you can just simply hit towards your Play Store or App Store. Just simply select Play Store if you're on Android and App Store if you're on your Apple device. So you can just simply select search bar right here. And now on top you should be seeing search again and just simply type in Remitly. So once you have typed in Remitly here, you should be seeing your Remitly app. You can just simply select it and you can scroll down in order to see reviews and much more. And you can also see the features, latest updates and much more. So you can just simply select install once you're done and your installation should be done just like this right here. Super simple and easy. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.